quadrilateral with given condition. Let us do first construction. In this construction, what we have given, 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Now problem is here. Construct quadrilateral PQRS. PQ equal to 4 cm, QR 6 cm, RS 5 cm, and PS 5.5 and PR 7 cm. First of all, do the rough diagram. Do the rough diagram. This PQRS. This PQRS, where this 7 cm, this 4 cm, this 6 cm, this 5 cm, and this 5.5 cm. Now what we do? First of all, we draw one triangle. Now let us say this PR equal to 7 cm. Draw first of all this PR. Construct this PR equal to 7 cm. On the one side of this PR, there is Q point. Q point at 4 cm from P, and it is at 6 cm from R. Take 4 cm in rounder and put metallic end of rounder at this P and draw arc of radius 4 cm. Now QR is of 6 cm. Put metallic end of rounder at R and take 6 cm radius and draw another arc. Draw another arc of radius 6 cm intersecting these two arcs at point, that is Q. This Q point is 4 cm from this P and 6 cm from R. Now S point is on the another side of this PR. Now this PR, this S is 5 cm from R. So take 5 cm in the rounder, put metallic end at R and draw one arc of radius 5 cm. PS S is 5.5 cm from the P. Take 5.5 cm, put metallic end of rounder at P and draw arc of radius 5.5 cm intersecting these two arcs at S. Now this is equal to 5.5 cm and this equal to 5 cm. Resulting quadrilateral is quadrilateral PQRS. Now let us do the construction of quadrilateral when 2 diagonals and 3 of its sides are given. First of all, sketch the rough diagram. Now in this diagram, these 2 diagonals are given. So first of all, we construct this one triangle. In this triangle, AD equal to 5 cm, BD equal to 7 cm, and this BC equal to 4.5 cm. First of all, we take BD, that is DB equal to 7 cm. We take this DB equal to 7 cm. Now from this D, C is 5 cm, and from this B, C is 4.5 cm. Take 5 cm in the rounder. After taking 5 cm in the rounder, put metallic end of rounder at D and draw or construct one arc. This arc is of radius 5 cm and rounder is metallic end of rounder taken at point D. Now BC equal to 4.5 cm. Put metallic end of rounder at B. Take 4.5 cm and draw another arc at 4.5 cm intersecting these 2 arcs at C, and now join this BD and BC. Now this triangle is BDC. Now remaining point is only point A. For point A, 2 things are given. One thing is this AD equal to 5.5 cm and AC equal to 5.5 cm. Now to locate this point A, what we do? We take 5.5 cm in the rounder. You know that point A is 5.5 cm from the D. Take rounder at D. Take 5 cm, 5.5 cm, and then draw this arc. This arc is of radius 5.5 centimeter. Now this from this point A, the point C is, that is diagonal AC, is also of 5.5 centimeter. So put metallic end of rounder at C, take 5.5 centimeter and draw another arc intersecting each other at point A. Now this is what say AC and this is what say AD, and this is quadrilateral ABCD having given specification. Now let us do this first problem of 4.2 exercise. We want to construct quadrilateral LIFT. Now to construct quadrilateral LIFT, first of all we draw the rough diagram. In this rough diagram, what is given? The LF, this diagonal LF is not given. What is given in this triangle? In triangle LFT. In triangle LFT, in triangle ILT, all these three sides are given. LT is 3.5 or 2.5 centimeter. This LI 4 centimeter, and this diagonal, the IT, diagonal IT is 4 centimeter given. So first of all, we construct this triangle. This triangle first of all we construct. So what we do, we put this diagonal, we construct this diagonal IT. In this IT is of 4 centimeter. Now from this I, L is 4 centimeter. So take 4 centimeter in the rounder, put metallic end of rounder here, take 4 centimeter and draw one arc. This arc is of radius 4 centimeter. Now this T is 2.5 centimeter away from this L. Take 2.5 centimeter and draw another arc with metallic end of rounder at T, another arc of radius 2.5 centimeter, and this is what say T. Now we get this is what say L. This L is 2.5 centimeter away from T, and this L is 4 centimeter away from I. For F, now remaining is this L, I, F is remaining. So for F, what is given? This F is 3 centimeter away from I, and this F is 4.5 centimeter from L. This F is 4.5 centimeter from the L. F is 4.5 centimeter from this. LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Put metallic end of rounder at L. Take 4.5 centimeter in the rounder and draw another arc intersecting each other at F. Now this distance is 4.5 centimeter. This FT we don't know. This IF that is equal to 3 centimeter, and resulting quadrilateral is quadrilateral LIFT. Now let us construct the quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are given or three angles are known. Now we want to construct this quadrilateral MIST with given specification. First of all, draw the rough diagram. Rough diagram is there. Now we do the construction. Now what we do? First of all, we construct this MI. We construct the MI 3.5 centimeter. This MI 3.5 centimeter. Now we can construct angle 105 degree. How to construct 105 degree? 105 degree is sum of 60 degree plus 45 degree. So do construction of 60 degree and do another construction of 40 degree joined together to form this angle 105 degree. Now we can construct angle 105 degree. Add another angle 75 degree at M. 75 degree is also we can construct. 75 is summation of 45 degree plus 30 degree. 75 degree is summation of 45 degree and 45 degree and 30 degree. So you can construct this 70 degree also, 75 degrees also. Now this 75 degree and 105 degree, sum of these two equal to 180 degree. So these two lines become parallel. Now next remaining is IS. IS is 6.5 centimeter. Take 6.5 centimeter in the rounder, put metallic end of rounder at I and draw one arc at 6.5 centimeter, that is S. And what is remaining? Only 1, 2 and 3 points we get. Now remaining point is T. 40 point, construct 120 degree at point S. We have already seen how to construct 120 degree. This angle is 120 degree, intersecting this point at T, and this is quadrilateral MIST. This quadrilateral is quadrilateral MIST. Now construction of quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Now we want to construct this quadrilateral ABCD having given specification. First of all, construct the rough diagram. In this rough diagram, this AB is given 4 centimeter. AB is given 4 centimeter. First of all, construct AB equal to 4 centimeter. And add B. This angle ABC. Add B. This angle ABC is equal to 105 degree. So 105 degree can be constructed. 105 degree can be constructed like this. 60 plus 45 degree, that is equal to 105 degree. We already know how to draw for 60 degree and how to draw 45 degree. So this angle is 105 degree. Now next, what is given? This BC equal to 5 centimeter. Take round metallic end of round, put metallic end of rounder at B. Take 5 centimeter and draw one arc intersecting this line at C, and this is 5 centimeter. Now another thing is given, this at C point angle 80 degrees is given. Now this 80 degree till in your class we cannot construct, so draw 80 degree. Don't construct 80 degree, just draw angle 80 degree. Draw angle 80 degree at C. Now when we add 80 degree, what is remaining? Point D is remaining. For point D, CD is given 6.5 centimeter. So put metallic end of rounder at C. Take 6.5 centimeter. So it is near about like this, and this is 6.5 centimeter. Put metallic end of rounder here and draw one arc intersecting this point, this line ray at D. This is 6.5 centimeter away from C, and this is what say point D, and first join this AD. Join AD, and this is quadrilateral ABC.